Hey guys, so here is a Twiggy inspired makeup tutorial. I tried my best to recreate her eyes despite my monolid, and I have a bit of hooded eyes. So over here I have a bump that kind of like hoods for a bit. So if you want to know how I achieved this Twiggy inspired look, please stay tuned. I drew inspiration of this look from the makeup tutorial of Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm gonna link her video in the description box. Thanks a lot for that, and thanks a lot for watching and making it to the very end. As always, stay safe everyone. If you need to go out, please wear a mask. I hope to see you again in my channel. Thanks a lot. Bye!